Okay, so here we are going to solve problem number 1 with practice set 1.1. So what is given to you? The distances. We have to find the distances of number line. We can see a number line. Then we see some distances are asked to find. So we just start with one of them. Okay, so we take in solution. We can write down here. First we take as distance BE. बघा पहिल्यांदा सम काय येते distance, D for distance. Point B and E are given. So distance between point B and E is asked to you. Now where is point B? B, coordinate of point B, the coordinate of point B is 2 and the coordinate of point E is point E coordinates with 5. Okay? Yes. Now 2 and 5. We compare here. Here we compare 2 and 5. So which is smaller? Yes, can you tell which is smaller number or coordinate? Which is smaller coordinate? 2 is the smaller. So we take here 5 minus 2, then we can find the distance BE, and we have here answer is 3. So distance BE is equal to 3. Okay, did you get this point? Yes, no? Second part we are going to take here. The second part, JA, distance between point J and A, G and A. Now we have to write down the coordinates of both the points. J coordinates with -2 and A coordinates 1. So the coordinate of same we can write down the coordinate of point J is equal to -2 and the coordinate of point A is equal to 1. Now -2 and 1. Two numbers we have, -2 and 1. One is positive number and negative number is given -2. As we know that negative is always less than positive, smaller than positive. So therefore, here we can take that distance between point J, A is equal to greater number minus smaller number. Now smaller number is negative, so we should bracket that number. So 1 and minus into minus plus 2. So again we get the answer 3. So distance ZA is equal to 3 again, 3. Now next one is there, distance PC, third part of this sum, that distance PC. We have to find the distance PC here. So therefore we have to find the first coordinate. Consider the coordinates. The coordinates of P and C are -4 and 3 respectively. So if you find here in the given figure, P coordinates -4, C coordinates 3. So which is lesser number, smaller number, -4 and 3. Now one is positive, second is negative. Negative is always smaller, yes. So distance P C is equal to greater number 3 minus smaller number is negative, so we should make it bracket. Plus into plus is 4, so 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So therefore we get distance between point C, P and C is equal to 7. Okay, please write down this one. सगळ्यांनी लिहून घेतला असेल. Okay, next distance is given JH. The fourth one, distance JH. Now the coordinates of point J and H are -2 and -1. Now here, if you take the points, we can compare them, -2 and -1. Both the numbers, if you put on the number line, -1 is on the right side and -2 on the left side. Left side number is smaller. So therefore we find the distance between point J and H as greater number -1 minus smaller number is -2. So we make bracket to it. So -1 minus plus 2. Again here different signs, so we subtract 2 and 1. We get answer 1. 1 is 2 is positive, which is greater. So 1 is the answer. So distance between point J and H is equal to 1. Did you get this point? Now KO. 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 So first of all we write down coordinates. of point K and O are. So if you look the figure, you get that K coordinates with -3 and O coordinate 0. Now we compare 0 and -3. Now -3 is on the left side of the 0, so it is less. 0 is greater number than -3. So now we can find the distance between K and O. Greater number 0 minus smaller number negative, so we take bracket, minus into minus is plus, plus 3. So in such steps we have to adapt to get the points. So number 6 OE. Number 6 is OE. Sum number 6, distance OE, we have to find distance OE. Okay. So as we know that the coordinate of O so if you look at coordinates of O and E, O coordinates with 0 and E coordinates with 5 respectively. So now we compare here 0 and 5. So 5 is greater than 0, both are positive numbers. So to find distance between O and E, we have to subtract smaller number from greater. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. That's our final answer. Now 7th one is PJ. PJ. So the coordinates of points P and J are -4 and -2. -4 and -2. Now we have to compare these two numbers. -4, -2, we have to compare them. How can we compare them? -4 and -2. Which is the left side of the first one? -4 is left of -2 or -2 is left of -4. -4 is the left. So -4 is on the number line. If you put these two numbers, then we get that -4 is on the LHS of -2. So number on LHS is smaller. Now we can find the distance between point P and point J. Smaller number -2 minus negative number, that is -4. So -2, 2 into minus into minus is equal to plus, so we get plus 4. Again we have to perform the subtraction as they have different signs. So answer is 2 and greater number is 4 having positive sign. So 2 is positive. So distance is A is equal to 2. And the last sum is given QB. 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 Distance QB. You have to find the distance QB. Distance QB. So the coordinates we have to write down first. The coordinates of points Q and B are, now Q coordinates with -5, B coordinates with 2. -5 and 2 respectively. Now we compare these two numbers here, -5 and 2, as negative number is less than the positive, smaller than positive. -5 is smaller. So therefore, to find the distance between points Q and B, you have to make subtraction of greater number minus smaller number. Now smaller is negative, so we have to make bracket to that number. So 2 minus into minus is plus, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So distance QB is equal to 7. So that's our answer, final answer, that is 7. Distance QB is equal to 7. I hope that you got all the sums cleared. Okay, here the second sum we are going to solve. If the coordinate of A is x and that of B is y, then find distance between points A and B. So in solution, we also have to write down the first line, that the coordinates of A and B, points A and B are x and y. Respectively. Means A coordinates B, A coordinates x and B coordinates y. Thus we can write down. Now we can solve. First sum, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 7. Okay, so here what we say, here 1 and 7, so 1 and 7 1 is less than 7, therefore x is less than y. One step is now increased. So therefore, distance AB is equal to x is smaller than y. So y minus x, 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Therefore, distance AB is equal to 6 if x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 7. So, please write down this. Okay, next sum is there. In second, the values of x and y changes. Now, what are the values of x and y? X is equal to 6, y is equal to minus 2, 6 and minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2. So, here 6 and minus 2 is less than 6. Therefore, x is greater than y. Now, the case changed. X is greater here. Therefore, distance AB is equal to greater number x and subtracted y from that number. Value of x is 6 minus value of y is negative. So, we have to bracket it. Minus into minus is plus. So, 6 plus 2. So, thus we get distance here 8. Distance AB is equal to 8. Okay, please write down this one. Third one we are going to solve. Third part. In third part, x is equal to minus 3 and y is 7. Minus 3, 7. Now here, if we compare the numbers first, minus 3 and 7, negative number is always less. So therefore, x is less than y. Therefore, distance AB is equal to greater number, that is y, smaller number x, y minus x. Now y is 7 minus and smaller number is negative, minus 3. So we make it bracket to that number. So 7 minus into minus plus, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So thus here we have to solve this sum, that distance AB is equal to 10. In fourth one, minus 5, minus 4 minus 5. Minus 4 and minus 5. X is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to minus 5. Now here minus 4 and minus 5. Between these number, which number is on the left side? On the number line. So minus 5 on the left side. So minus 5 is smaller. Okay. So therefore x is greater than y. Therefore if you want to find the distance between AB, we have to subtract smaller from the greater, x minus y. Now x is minus 4 and minus 5. Just remember, if the number is negative, coordinates, the given coordinate is negative, then we should make it bracket, write in the bracket. So minus 4 minus into minus plus 5. We have different signs, so we subtract. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, as 5 is the greater, then the answer is positive. So 1 is the answer. 1 is the answer we get here. Now minus 3 minus 6, next one is there, fifth sum. Okay, in next sum you will see that x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to minus 6. So we just first compare minus 3 and minus 6. Again minus 6 would be the left of minus 3 on the number line. So it is smaller. Therefore value of x is smaller than value of y. Therefore distance AB is equal to greater number x minus y. Now here x is minus 3 and minus smaller number minus 6. So minus into minus plus 6 we get, minus 3 plus 6, 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So here we get answer distance AB is equal to B. Last one, 4 and minus 8. 4 and minus 8. Okay. Now how to solve this? Coordinates are given. Coordinates are x and y. Value of x is 4 and y is minus 4. First you have to compare them. Two numbers are given, minus 4 and minus 8. 4 and minus 8. So positive number is greater. Positive number is greater. So 4 is greater than minus 8. So therefore x is greater than y. So therefore distance AB is equal to x minus y. X minus y. X minus y, but y has negative sign. So while putting the values, we have to put the values of y in bracket. Value of x is 4 minus, value of y is minus 8. So as we know that minus into minus plus, so 4 plus 8, we get answer 12. Therefore distance AB in this case is equal to 12. Is equal to 12. So all the sums in question number 2 we have solved here. I hope that you got your all the answers clear, concepts clear. Question number 3. From the information given below, find which of the point is between the other two. If the points are not collinear, state so. So here the distance between two points are given and you have to tell which point is between the other 2 points. And if the points are not in one line, means collinear points, they do not lie on same line, then we have to also tell that part. So we take solution of the first sum. So in first sum we can write down distance PR, what information is provided to you. Distance PR 7, distance PQ is equal to 10 and distance QR is equal to 3. Now which two distances, sum of two distances equal to the third distance. So if you observe 7 plus 3 is equal to, we get 10. 7 plus 3. Okay, so here what we write down here, distance PQ is greater distance, that is 10. It is given and we state at statement number 1. Take at statement number 1. And distance PR plus distance QR is equal to 7 plus 3, that is 10. So this is our statement number 2. Okay, got it? Now if you observe statement 1 and 2, RHS of them, right hand side, is equal 10, 10 we get here. So therefore distance PR plus distance QR is equal to distance PQ. So here we can write down from statement 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Now in this sum on the LHS we have R point as common. So here we can write down point R is between or lies between points P and Q. So that is, we can state that P dash R dash Q. So in such a also we can show the betweenness between the means point between any other 2 points. Yes, any question regarding this part? Purva, please write down this solution. I will give you some time to write down this solution. Okay, the next sum is given to you, distances are given. You have to find whether these are corner points and which point lies between other two. So first of all, we write down the information given by them, that is distance RS is equal to 8, distance ST is equal to 6, and distance RT is equal to 4. These three distances are given. Now first of all, we write down the greater distance. So here distance RS is greater. Distance RS is equal to 8. That is our statement number 1. And now sum of the other two distances, ST plus distance RT is equal to 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. This is our statement number 2. Okay. Now if we carefully observe these two statements, what we get here, both RHS are of different values. So from statement number 1 and statement number 2, what we get here, that distance RS and distance, sum of the distance ST and the distance RT, both the distances are not equal. Distance RS now is equal to sum of the distance ST and RT. So therefore, here the common point we take T does not lie in between S and R. Therefore, points, these are the points which we are given. Point say S, R and T are non-collinear points. So what we see here, non-collinear points. Why? Because sum of two distances is not equal to the distance of third distance here. So in this case, these points are not on same line, therefore they are non-collinear points. So they are non-collinear points. Okay, so I hope that the concepts of distance and betweenness are clear to you now. So if you like this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel Guru Krupa Classes. Thank you for watching this video.